Hello everyone, welcome to a demo lecture on Python. This is more of a test which I want to carry out. I've been not recording videos for a long time. So just want to test how things work. Let's try to print something. Say this is a test video. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it works. And let's say want to print hello. Want to give the separator. So if you look at the doc string, you will find that the separator by default is a single space and the end parameter by default is the new line. So what we can do is we can simply say end equal to, let's say instead of new line, I can say that end is equal to, let's say star. And now if I have another print statement, something like goodbye, if I hit enter, I'll find that instead of printing a new line after hello, it's printing a star because I've changed the end parameter from new line to star. So that was a short video. I'll see you again in the full-fledged ones. Thank you. Bye bye.